In conclusion, we've now worked through several practical examples of how you'd work with HTML code on your HTML sales pages inside of YouTube, in your affiliate networks, using it if you are a podcaster using the link maker, with your PayPal buttons, Warrior Plus product creation, JVZoo product creation, as well as your autoresponder. We also worked through how to create a web page with your Microsoft Word program. And we took time to figure out how to read WordPress in a file structure so that we'd be able to look at it inside of the source code. And finally, we walked through the process of looking at the web browser and the source code, which means that you should now be ready to recognize and adapt to any problem using HTML. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.